So to continue with the previous video, in this video I will show you like what's the branching system with the drawing. Okay, so let's say if we have this tree here, okay, and okay, right, you can see some branches inside that. Okay, so this is your trunk, your main branch. Okay, main branch, and these are the branches which you checked out whenever it's required. So if you want to expand your application more, better to go with the branches, so you can easily control over, okay, this part of application I want to do some changes, so you can just check out the branches and you can just fix those code there. And let's say if you want to see the other part of the application, like let's say this is related to Maya, and this is related to Houdini, and somewhere related to Nuke and other application, you can just check out the particular branch and add your code. So let's see if I checked out the branch and so what I did, I just checked out this branch, I just add my code there and again merge that there. So like that you can use the branching system in Git. Okay, so if we go to our code, like here, how you see that Git branch, and this Git branch shows that MX core, Maya and Houdini. So MX core is our main trunk which is going on there, and with that Maya is like that and Houdini is then. It will be more clear when we go through this. I'm sure this will be really confusing for new guys and who is first time seeing this Git system, version control system, but it's not too complicated if you just understand the basic concept behind the merging and branching, and everything will be clear for that. Okay, so if I can show you the visual representation of the branches, so I hope that will be fine. So what I can use a Ungit. Ungit is a application which you have to install if you want to use that, if you want to see that. Okay, so here if you can see that we have 3 branches we just created, and right now we are at Houdini branch. So Houdini shows that, okay, this is Houdini file and this is core lib file, and it'll show you like who committed this file and what is the hash code of that. But let's say if I want Maya file. Okay, so just make this thing in the sidewise and I will see the folder here. Okay, this tool is really very awesome for Git representation. Like if I want to show you here, and you can see that right now we are at Houdini repository or Houdini branch. You can, if you want to go to Maya, you can just select that and checked out. So once this is checked out, right now you are at Maya branch and your file, Maya file, is there. But if you switch back to Houdini, your Maya file gone and your Houdini file is there. So there is no limit, you can create like any number of branches. It's depend on you. If I want to show you my application this interface, like I will quickly show you about the MX Studio branching system. Yeah, this is the branching system for not this beta property. Just copy this and paste it here. wherever folder you have git in your folder, and just pass that and it will show you the branching. Okay, now let's see the structure of the branching which I use for MX Studio, and this is for like production pipeline. And definitely it's very confusing for new guys who are seeing that. If you can see that there is MX core, you can check out that file, nuke, real flow, and let's see if we want to check out the real flow file. And if you just make this, so this is just for giving you an overview like how you can use git. So I just checked out git, and now my git is having that my current branch is real flow. And like say if any other, like if I want to go to the developer branch and just checked out that file, so it will checked out and your files will be changed. So this is very cool. You can see the visual representation. It's very fine and it's very fun to play with the branches, and it will show you a very clear thing. Like if you want to check out if you want to create a application for Houdini, and you can just check out this, and now this branch is going to merge in the main master line, and your code you can work together with other developers too for version control. So yes, this is the visual representation of your git repository, and definitely it's upon you like how you configure and how you design your application for create stuff in VFX Pipeline. This is definitely my workflow. So I decided like where I want MX script, where I want shell script and all. And if you want to add some scripts for workstations, so for that also simply I created a branch. So Houdini branch is now checked, switched with the workstation branch, so all the scripts related to workstations are added with that, or maybe. And yeah, this is it for the branching system. And I know there is not that much which is covered. There will be few other detailed topic for branching, and that I will cover when we will do the remote server thing and the merging thing. Okay, so I'll see you in next video. All right, so bye bye.